Now we'll move on to case 5 where 3 angles and their included sides are given. Here first draw a rough figure. ABCD is a quadrilateral where AB is given as 3.5 centimeter, BC is given as 6.5 centimeter and angle A is 75 degree, B is 105 degree and C is 120 degree. So using this given information, that is 5 parts are given, 3 angles and 2 sides are given. Here the included sides are given. Included means the side is lying between 2 angles. Here also the side is lying between 2 angles. So 5 parts are given. Using this 5 parts you have to draw a quadrilateral. So see the rough figure. What is the first step? AB is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So first we will draw a line segment AB of 3.5 centimeter. Now at the point A you have to construct an angle of 75 degree. So 75 degree, as I said earlier, we will construct using compass. First draw a semicircle. So first is 60 degree. This is 120. So for constructing 75 degree I had to make 90 degree first. First make 90 degree. Now between 90 and 60 you get the 75 degree angle. So I have to bisect these two, that is 60 degree angle. Always you take more than half. So this is, you have to draw a ray AX of 75 degree. So this ray AX is 75 degree. Now I have to draw 105 degree at the point B. Again you draw a semicircle. So first you draw 60 degree. This is 120. This is 60. So both bisecting together I will be getting 90 degree. So now 105 lies between 90 and 120 degree. So this is 190 degree. 105 lies between 90 and 120 degree. So I have to bisect these two angles. So I am bisecting these two angles. So draw a ray BY of 105 degree. Now on the ray BY I have to cut an arc of 6.5 centimeter. So take a radius of 6.5 centimeter in your compass. Cut an arc. So this point you name it as C. At the point C you have to construct an angle of 120 degree. So again you make a semicircle over here. So this is 60 and this is 120. So I am going to construct an angle of 120 degree over here. Now these two rays are not, you can name it as CZ. Now these two rays are not meeting over here. So in order to meet, you extend this ray AX. So if you are going to extend this ray AX, it will be meeting over here. So this point you name it as D. So ABCD is a required quadrilateral. Hope you have understood all the 5 cases. In the last case you are having 3 angles and 2 included sides are given over here. So total you are having 5 parts. So see the angle carefully. What is the angle given over here? If the angles are not multiples of 15, then you can construct it using compass. Using protractor. Otherwise you have to use compass. Sometimes you may have to find out the 4th angle also, depending upon the situation. So you have to read the sum properly and find out the solution. Draw properly. It will be very easy if you are going to read the question carefully and seriously.